Hi, I'm Kathy Skeen with Student Support Services. Today I'd like to talk to you as faculty a little bit about students with disabilities. A good share of the students here at LDS Business College have learning disabilities, which include ADD, ADHD, depression, anxiety. You can help us identify and track these students as you see problems in class. For instance, if a student is not attending, they're listless or don't participate in class, or they're not doing very well on their homework. Maybe they do great with homework but don't do well with tests at all. When you just identify a student who you are concerned about, the first thing you'd want to do is go to the student themselves and just talk to them a little bit about what the issue might be. Because we're not allowed to ask a student if they have a disability by law, you can broach the subject by asking if they've struggled before in school, and that's usually when a student will admit that they had some kind of accommodation. Then you can refer them over to us. If a student does not respond to you, or you just can't get hold of a student, email us at studentdevelopment@ldsbc.edu. Let us know the student's name and their ID number and the class that they're taking from you and maybe some of the issues involved. Then one of us will contact the student. We'd like for you to be the first contact for them, someone who they already know and someone who shows that they care and can help them before we get involved. We need to make sure that we're expecting the same performance of students who are accommodated as those who are not. So it is vital that you as a teacher supply those accommodations when a student brings you an accommodation form, and then don't accommodate a student if they don't have a form. The law also requires that you treat all students the same. So if you're accommodating one student who hasn't given you a form, then you would be equally required to accommodate all the students in all of your classes with that same accommodation. We know that you will use prayer and wisdom in how you serve these students, and we appreciate your willingness to serve them. And thank you for all that you do for the students here at the college.